Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Nausheen Zeri, founder of Diet Design and Derma Design, Mumbai. I am a dietitian, cosmetologist, and naturopathy doctor. Through this series, my aim is to explain fasting scientifically, safely, and honestly, especially for people with lifestyle diseases. First, let's clear the biggest confusion. Intermittent fasting is not a diet. It does not tell you what foods you should eat. It tells you when you should eat. Most diets focus on food. Eat this, don't eat that, calories, restrictions. Intermittent fasting works differently. It focuses on timings. When we talk about intermittent fasting, we are talking about eating within a fixed time window, and for the remaining hours, allow the body to rest from digestion. For example, you may eat between 8 in the morning and 4 in the evening, or 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., or 12 noon to 8 p.m. Outside this eating window, you are not eating meals. Now, many people get scared when they hear the word fasting. They imagine weakness, low energy, and starvation. But that is not what intermittent fasting means. During the fasting window, your body does not shut down. In fact, something very interesting happens. When we eat continuously every 2 to 3 hours, our digestive system is working all the time. Our insulin levels remain high, and the body is always in storage mode. But when we stop eating for few hours, the body says, okay, no food is coming right now. Let me switch modes. During the fasting period, your digestion system gets a break. Insulin levels start coming down. The body starts using stored energy. Repairs and maintenance process begins. So even though you are not eating, your body is still working, repairing, and healing. This is very important to understand. Intermittent fasting is not about punishment, it is giving your body time, time to digest properly, time to balance hormones, time to clean and repair damaged cells. Our bodies are actually designed for this. Earlier, human beings did not eat all day long. There were natural gaps between meals. Fasting is not something new. Constant eating is new. So, when done correctly, intermittent fasting is structured, planned, gentle on the body, and adaptable to different lifestyles. And that is why people across the world are talking about it. Now that we understand what intermittent fasting is, it is equally important to understand what it is not. Intermittent fasting does not mean skipping breakfast one day, skipping lunch the next day, and then overeating at night. That is irregular eating, not intermittent fasting. Fasting is structured. Your body knows when food is coming. The rhythm is what makes it safe and effective. This is very important. Starving yourself means ignoring hunger signals, feeling dizzy and extremely weak, forcing the body without nourishment. Intermittent fasting is not suffering. When fasting is done correctly, body uses stored energy, hormones stay balanced. You should be able to function normally. If you are constantly exhausted, irritable, or unwell, that is not healthy fasting. Many people makes this mistake. They fast the whole day and then during the eating window they eat fried foods, sweets, bakery items, sugary drinks. That defeats the purpose. If you fast all day and then overload the body with junk food, you increase inflammation and insulin spikes. That is not intermittent fasting, that is stress on your body. Intermittent fasting is not suitable at all times. If your body is recovering from illnesses, very weak, under medical stress, pregnant or breastfeeding. Forcing fasting in these situations can be harmful. Listening to your body is the part of healthy fasting. What are the key takeaways till now? Intermittent fasting works only when it is planned, balanced, and suited to your body. It is not about copying someone else's routine. It is not about extreme discipline. It is about respecting your body needs. When done wrongly, fasting can harm. When done correctly, it can support healing. And that is why education is important. This part is very important because many people confuse fasting with starvation, and that is not the same thing. Fasting is voluntary and controlled, where starvation is forced and harmful. One is choice made for health, and the other is the condition that damages your body. What happens during the fasting? When you practice intermittent fasting correctly, your body is prepared. In fasting, your body has stored energy. Blood sugar levels are regulated, hormones remains balanced, and the body shifts into repair mode. Our body stores energy in the form of glycogen in the liver, fat in the body, and when food is not coming for a few hours, your body says, "Let me use what I have stored." This is natural and intelligent process. During this time, insulin comes down, fat is used as fuels, damaged cells begins to repair, inflammation starts reducing. So fasting is never weakness, it's metabolic flexibility. Now, what happens during starvation? Starvation is very different. In starvation, there is no adequate nutrition. Energy stores are depleted. The body goes into survival mode. When starvation continues, muscles breakdown starts, nutritional deficiencies develop, hormones become imbalanced, immunity weakens, and the body is no longer repairing, it is protecting itself from damage. In fasting, the body feels safe. In starvation, the body feels threatened. The difference changes everything. Why short fasts are safe when it is done right? Our body is designed to handle short period without food. Historically, humans did not eat all day. There were natural gaps between the meals. Fasting was part of normal life. But our body is not designed for chronic deprivation. Long term undereating, extreme calorie restrictions, and continuous fasting without nourishment leads to harm. That is starvation, not health. So remember this: intermittent fasting is about timing, not deprivation. It is about resting the body, not punishing it. When done correctly, fasting supports balance. When done wrongly, it becomes harmful. Now, a very natural question comes up. If fasting has existed for so long, why is everyone suddenly talking about intermittent fasting now? There are three main reasons. Number one, lifestyle diseases are increasing. Today, we are seeing a sharp rise in lifestyle related diseases. Conditions like diabetes, obesity, PCOS, fatty liver, high blood sugar, and many more conditions are connected to how often we eat, not just what we eat. In modern life, we snack constantly. We eat late at night. We rarely give the body a break for digestion. This leads to continuously high insulin levels, and when insulin remains high for longer periods, the body starts losing its sensitivity to it. This is the root of many metabolic problems. Intermittent fasting brings back meal gaps, which allows insulin level to come down and body to reset. Number two important reason is scientific research is supporting it. The second reason is science. In the last few decades, research has shown that when we give the body a break from food, insulin sensitivity improves, inflammation reduces, and the body activates repairs mechanism at the cellular level. This does not mean fasting cures diseases, but it shows that timing of eating plays a powerful role in how body functions. Scientists are now understanding that constant eating keep the body in storage mode while periodic fasting allows the body to repair and rebalance. The third reason is very beautiful. Fasting has existed for centuries across cultures and religions. People fasted for spiritual clarity, for discipline, for health, even without knowing the science. Today, modern research is explaining why those practices made sense. What was once tradition is now being understood through hormones, metabolism, cellular repair process. This is why intermittent fasting feels both ancient and modern at the same time. Intermittent fasting is not a trend, it is structured return to how the human body naturally functions, supported by modern scientific understanding. Intermittent fasting can be powerful, but it is very important to understand one thing clearly. Intermittent fasting is not for everyone and not for everyone at all the times. When we talk about health, there is no one size fit all approach. Your age, metabolic condition, medications, and natural health status all matters. Now we can understand what intermittent fasting do for diabetes. Diabetics on medication. People with diabetes, especially those who are on medication or insulin, need to be very careful. Fasting can change blood sugar levels if medications are not adjusted properly. It can lead to low blood sugars, dizziness, weakness. This does not mean diabetic can never fast. It means fasting should only be done under medical supervision. Number 2, pregnant or breastfeeding women. Pregnancy and breastfeeding are times when the body has increased nutritional needs. The focus during this period should be nourishment, stability, adequate calorie and nutrition. Fasting during this time can stress the body and affects both mother and baby. So, intermittent fasting is not recommended during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Number 3, underweight individuals. If someone is underweight or already nutritionally deficient, fasting can be more harm than good. The body may not have enough stored energy. In such cases, fasting can lead to further weight loss, fatigue, hormonal imbalance. For these individuals, the priority is nourishment, not restrictions. This Number 4, this point is very important and often ignored. People with the history of eating disorders should avoid intermittent fasting unless guided by healthcare profession. Fasting can trigger obsessive food behaviors, guilt around eating, emotional stress. Mental health is a part of physical health. So, intermittent fasting is a tool, not a rule. If it should support your health, not harm it. If your body is asking for care, nourishment, or healing, that comes first. Health is not about extremes, it is about balance, awareness, and informed choices. In the next video, I will explain what actually happens inside your body when you fast, hour by hour. I will talk about what happens to your blood sugar when your body starts using stored energy and why many people feels lighter and energetic after fasting. This will help you understand fasting from inside out, not just as a trend. Fast, my aim is to help you understand your body so you can make informed choices for your health. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your family and friends. There is a lot of confusion and fear around fasting, and sharing the right information can really help someone. And if you want to learn fasting the right way, based on science and safety, please subscribe to this channel. In the coming video, we will talk about intermittent fasting and diabetes, autophagy in the simple words, fasting during rosa, and how to personalize fasting for different bodies. This series is for education, awareness, and empowerment. Because when we understand our body, we stop following trends and start making better health decisions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.